In my last video, I showed how to collect structured data from emails. And in this video, I'm going to continue and show how to write emails properly and what to do with this data next. But first, I'm going to show how to write emails properly. If you want to write an email, then obviously you are going to need email. And this one you can take from the sheet that we had in our last video. Here I added some AI generated data so I can use it as example. And to write properly email, you can't just write here and text in the content because it's gonna look very ugly. And this is how end results is gonna look. As you can see, it is everything written in a row without any breaks, without any spaces that are necessary. So to fix that, you are gonna need to add some HTML code. It is nothing crazy, just some breaks. This is enough for a simple email. I'm gonna add here also an order number. And here where is the website, I added this small href code, which is basically making this clickable link. And that's it. If you don't know any of those codes, then obviously you can ask AI. And if I ask AI to write it to me, then you can see it wrote me very nicely. It also added these paragraph things over here, but for emailing, I don't think they are necessary. So you can remove those. But as you can see, AI can do you a very quick job to write a proper email in make.com. And the key point over here is to add right order numbers or, for example, emails or results from AI. And now I'm going to show where I get those from. So as you know from the last video, we extracted some information as name, phone number, email, language. And I also added now an order number to extract from the previous emails. And now when this data is collected and new data is received, then this scenario is scheduled to run every 60 minutes on the workdays. And in this scenario, information is received in email, and then it is reading what information it is. If it is order related, then it proceeds. If it's not, then it gives notification to Telegram. Or if it is order related, it proceeds the information and sends to a customer. This email also includes some files, so that's why I have here Google Drive upload a file module and also converting it to Google Docs, so AI could read this file and give information also from this file. Here I have Google Drive that uploads the attachment from the previous Gmail module. As it's uploading with the file, then it uses file name and data. Like usually, if you are not familiar with any of those things, then I recommend watching my previous video where I showed how to get downloadable URLs or something like this. As usually in email, you receive information as PDF. I converted this file to a Google document because next module is gonna be Google document. So, and the next module I have is Google Docs module, and I have it now because PDF is converted to Google Docs. And it is done because for AI you need text, not PDF. It is gonna use much less tokens and it's gonna run faster and cheaper. And then this text is put to AI, and AI is asked to output only a customer name because I want to know for which customer this information is given. And then AI outputs this name to this Google sheet. For example, like if I have over here, AI gives this name and it searches for this name in this Google sheet. Actually, here I recommend to use equal to case insensitive because if some name is written in lower cases, then it's still gonna read it. And everything else I basically left the same. So now this name and the information on this name is found. And this is important because this one is outputting me information about this customer. For example, if it was Thomas, then now it outputs me Thomas' email and language in which this order was made, so I can write in a proper language him an email and also an order number for a customer to know. And this is used here in emails. Right here I have my own email, but obviously you're gonna have an email from Google Sheet. For this video purpose to receive this text on my email, I'm gonna put my address, and as you can see here it is asking again order number and results from the AI. And those results are basically also taking information from this Google Docs. It is taking a tracking number from this PDF that was sent in an email. And later I have sleep module, so everything is sent because usually Gmail takes some time to send an email. And later I have delete a file folder Google Drive module, which deletes this file from Google Drive, because I want to keep customer driver clean, so customer will not even see those files, but everything will be sent automatically with this automation. So this is basically a demo of what you can build. If you are more interested in those kind of things, then you can write down in the comments, and if needed I can build it from the scratch to show how it works, although I in this video already showed all the settings. So this is the scenario that gives update to a customer about their order and also notifications for a user, so nobody is gonna miss any important information about orders and about this whole e-commerce thing. But for now, have a beautiful day.